Hi, my name is Roshni Chaudhury and I live in Gauribari. I have completed my graduation in the year 2020 under Kolkata University. After completing my graduation, it was my dream to join IT sector. So I got to know about Webskitters Academy from one of my friend, and he suggested me to go ahead with the course UI UX design. So I took admission in UI UX design, and my career counselor helped me a lot with the admission. After the admission, I have completed my course in the year 2023, and once I completed the course within 2 to 3 months, I got placed in a well IT reputed company.